How to download Wine on Mac M1 M2. Since M1 M2 Macs uses Apple Silicon, running Wine, which is built for Intel-based Mac OS, requires additional setup. And here is how to do it. First of all, open any web browser, Safari or Google, according to your preferences. Now in search address bar, simply type down the same link I have used here and hit enter. Then you'll be navigated to the GitHub section. Now once in GitHub, scroll down and there you'll get to see Wine option available with 10.01. Simply scroll down and tap on it and download it to your Mac. Now you'll have to wait for a few minutes for your download to be completed. Simply tap on it and start the downloads. Now once the download has been completed, press on it. Now your Mac is verifying the Wine app, and once it is verified, it will be available on a desktop. It might take a few minutes for your verification to complete. Now drag and drop the downloaded Wine to the desktop and you can use it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.